Welcome back to my channel across this recipe. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe, like and share. Today we are making peanut butter, and to make this you require only 3 ingredients: peanut, salt and honey. Start with peeling peanut, or you can always buy peanuts from store. Well, my thumbs are in pain now, but these peanuts are really sweet. If you are in hurry, you can always apply peanut butter to your bread. It makes you feel full with fewer calories. Let's weigh them and see how much it is. To 63 grams, not bad. Roast peanut on low heat for about 10 minutes. This aroma is just so nutty and delicious. Crush the peanuts to remove the skin. Later, remove the skin from peanuts. Transfer into a mixer and grind it till fine. At this stage, add 2 pinches of salt for taste and 50 grams of honey for sweetness. Add 2 tablespoons of water just to grind it finely. Your peanut butter is ready. Store in airtight container and keep in fridge. Eat it however you like. Thank you for watching.